3D printing multiple items on the same bed at the same time can be a nerve-wracking experience, but with the increased reliability of modern 3D printers, it helps us feel a bit more confident about doing this a lot more often. However, even the all-singing, all-dancing printers from Bambu Labs may still occasionally have an item fall over or fail mid-print, and if you've got multiple items on the bed, the rest of them would have still been fine. Now your printer's just going to start draping the spaghetti, which should have been part of that failed model, onto the other items on your print bed. So what are you going to do, just cancel the whole print and start again? Luckily, Bambu took a leaf out of Octoprint's books and baked a skip item feature directly into their printers, and it works surprisingly well. So let's get multiple items imported and spread out on a plate, and then let's get them printing. To begin with, everything is printing just fine until suddenly, out of nowhere and completely by accident, one of them falls over. All you have to do then is go to the screen of the printer and select the button with the 3 squares and the arrow. It will then show you the footprint of all of the objects on your print bed. So if you click here, then select the object you want to cancel. Click Skip Objects and confirm that you won't be able to unskip it afterwards. Click Back, and it's then going to continue your print, completely ignoring the part that you've skipped. This will allow you to complete the print without the objects that are remaining on the print bed being absolutely caked in spaghetti. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button. It makes a huge difference to me. While you're here, why not check out some of my other videos? I've got a whole host on the channel, and I've got a lot more coming out as well. So make sure you hit subscribe to keep an eye out for what's coming out very soon. Until next time, thanks very much guys, and happy printing.